unboxing Ipsy November Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I do get these sent to me, and if you don't know who me is, I'm Lundyn. So I did already pop it open because it's my mom's birthday this month, and I had to see if there's anything in here that she would like that I could gift to her. And this box is practically made for my mom. So Mom, if you're watching this, don't watch this until your birthday. Thank you very much. So first things first is the regular glam bag, and my mom is a super southern gal and absolutely loves this like animal print. So this is so up her alley. So first thing in here is a matte liquid lip that looks to be in a really pretty like burgundy-ish fall shade. Ooh, this is perfect for my mom. This is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I believe this has retinol in it. Yes, peptides and retinol. Perfect for my mom. Next thing in here is the They're Real Magnet mascara, which I have not tried this mascara before. Ooh, I've gotten this brand before, Gloss Modern, but this is a perfume oil. It looks really interesting. It says Universal on there. What does that mean? Is the name of it Universal, or is it like unisex Universal? Oh, the little bottle is so cute. The only thing I can smell is it smells kind of like clean almost. And the last little thing in here is by Ciate. This is a metallic eyeshadow, which my mom is obsessed with metallic eyeshadows. Please be a gold for my mom. Please. My mom loves gold eyeshadows. All kinds of gold. Now if I can get this little sucker out of here. Come here. This does not want to come out now, does it? My God, I'm spending like 5 minutes to open it, and I'm just gonna rip the package. There we go. It is kind of a pinky color. Kind of reminds me of what I have on my eyes right now. Ooh, it is like a nice, pretty pinkish color. It's really, really close to what I have on my eyes right now. And if you're wondering what I have on my eyes right now, I literally have, what is this palette called? The Rose Metals. I have this one and this one on my eyes. Love this palette. So that's everything for this glam bag. And I'm definitely going to be gifting my mom's presents in this bag. But wait. Just you wait. This is literally a video for my mom. The Glam Bag Plus is the same kind of pattern. My mom is going to absolutely flip over this. Ooh, so first things first is from Iconic Lundyn. It's a cute little baggie, and it has a bunch of eyeshadow brushes in here. These are so cute. Next thing up is Juicy Couture. Choose Juicy. Is it a lip balm? Red Roses Juicy Peach. Oh, it's a candle? Oh, how funny. It's a cute little candle. Literally, like the other day, me and my mom were talking about how we used to wear matching Juicy Couture sweats. How embarrassing. I was probably, I don't know, elementary school, and me and my mom used to rock matching sweats. Could you imagine? We had them in so many different colors. Now we have Shades by Shan, the setting spray, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ginseng. This sounds pretty nice for my mom too. My mom is a flight attendant, and this sounds really hydrating. Ooh, a nice fine mist. And it doesn't have a fragrance to it either. But it's a nice little travel size. Love this. Ooh, we have the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty so much. Last thing in here is a huge palette from Pure XO Nabella. Sorry if I butcher that. This is a huge palette. This might be one of the biggest palettes that I've gotten in an Ipsy box. Embrace Your Face Eye and Cheek palette. Ooh, super pretty. There's a highlighter, 2 different shades of highlighter, or you can use them as eyeshadow. A couple different eyeshadow colors, and the blush shades look so pretty. I'm so glad there's a peachy color in here. This is a gorgeous palette, and it has a huge mirror. Perfect. So I know you guys don't know my mom, but this box is literally for my mom, which makes me so happy because I love gifting my mom so much stuff. Even though she doesn't use it all, it is nice that I am able to gift stuff to my mom. I am going to keep a couple of the things for myself though, but that is everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag and my Glam bag Plus for November. It's been a hot minute since I've done one of these, but I am happy to keep doing them. Alright, so now we're at the video where I'm going to share the rest of my mom's presents. So I'm going to give her a couple of things, definitely the bags from my November Ipsy, but I wanted to show you a couple other things things I've gotten sent to me or that I've bought over the last couple of months that I'm going to be gifting to my mom. So we have this Fall Edit palette that I believe I got in an Ipsy bag, but I feel like my mom would really love some of these colors because she really likes when I do fall looks, but she can never really do it on her own. But I feel like this palette is a really good like transitional fall palette because it still has like the basics that she likes, but a couple other little pops in there to experiment with. And then I have the Sephora Pocket palette, and this is the Golden Hour palette. I think there's like 3 different ones of these, but they're super cute where you can just like pop this little thing off. And this is what the inside looks. It's a little bit more pinky than gold, but I feel like my mom is gonna be absolutely obsessed with this shade. This is literally turning into a video all about my mom, but it's my mom's birthday month. And then I got a mini size of the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray because, like I said earlier, my mom is a flight attendant and I feel like she would like something that'll help make her makeup last literally like a whole flight. This is another thing that I got from an Ipsy box, the Earth Harbor Cloudburst Hydrator, because my mom is always dry. So anytime I have some like extra moisturizers that I get, I feel like gifting it. And then this is the Full Ritual, I think it's a lip gloss, but it's in a really cool kind of like brownie nude, which is again right up my mom's alley. And then I got her the It oil-free version of the CC cream. But yeah, she's gonna have so much stuff and she's gonna be so freaking excited about it. I can't even wait.